gentlemen.
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. This Sunday on Live on Cue, Edward the Landslide Folayang will sit with the QCast crew to talk about Filipino mixed martial artists, 1171 in Qatar, the future of MMA in the Philippines, and so much more. January 12, Sunday, 9 p.m. at Maharlika Park Restaurant. Only here on QCast. Hey, we're coming to you live from Maharlika Park Restaurant. This is Live on Cue on a Sunday evening. Palakpak naman dyan. It's such a nice evening we're having here because we're being joined by, of course, a very special guest. And before we go there, I'd like to present also our co-host for this evening is Kristen Chi. And of course, Trixie from Toastmasters. Okay, to give us a briefer about our special guest for this evening, let me bring you up on screen. Go ahead, Beb.
Hello, good evening, everyone. And it's me again, Trixie here, live on Cue. Now it's time to meet our special guest for tonight, a true icon in the world of martial arts, a three-time lightweight MMA world champion, and a Philippine MMA legend. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Edward Landslide Folayang.
All right. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Wow, pwedeng pang RG ang boses ni Sir Edward,
Ang lamig.
no? Ang lamig. Ang lamig, parang bagyo. Kumusta naman po, Sir Coach Edward?
Mabuti naman,
I see.
and I'm very happy to see our kababayans here in Qatar. So,
How would you like to be addressed pala? Coach, Sir Edward?
Edward, landslide na lang.
Landslide.
Wow!
Para
Okay, mas-
naalala nila yung
Very iconic ang landslide.
lugar nila sa
Baguio.
bundok. Oo.
I see.
Landslide.
Okay. Kumusta po yung biyahe nyo pupunta dito sa Qatar? You've been here for a couple of days, di ba?
Oo, a couple of days. So,
Since,
3 days since Friday night.
Friday night, I see. Kumusta naman po yung nakapagpahinga na kayo ng maayos?
Okay
Nakapag-adjust
naman.
na ba?
Medyo
Nakapag-adjust na.
Nakapag-adjust na.
Ayan. Pero yung klima dito sa Doha right now, I think it's the same as Baguio, di ba?
Yeah.
Probably.
Malamig.
Kasing
So,
lamig ka.
Kasing lamig.
yun.
Or baka nga mas malamig pa sa Baguio, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. Taga Baguio po kayo sa norte, no? Is it a very different feeling na pupunta ka sa isang bansa tapos kausap mo ngayon mga kababayan mo in preparation for the upcoming fight? How does it feel? Kasi iba naman pag nasa bansa ka lang, di ba? Pag overseas, ano po yung pakiramdam? Nakikita mo kami dito ngayon. Parang ayoko na. Ano po?
Parang na-extend lang yung Pilipinas
Ah.
dito.
Yes! Wala ba kayong kamay? Para hindi kayo masaya, nandito si Coach Edward. Okay, unang tanong ko po, sir. Since the 171 is coming up, and we all know about what happened to Pasio last time.
Yes.
Sa part 2 ng kanilang
Yes,
bout.
yung fight nila.
We want to know, since you're working closely with Joshua right now, ano po yung mga preparations nyo leading to the event this coming Feb 20?
Of course, tinitignan muna namin yung strength ni Joshua.
Okay.
And we can see that Joshua is very good in striking. And hindi naman natin may kakala na magaling din si Joshua sa ground. So, he need to understand yung strength and weaknesses niya. And then after that, we need to study yung kalaban niya, si Jared Brooks. So,
Yes.
which
And
is
Jared
very
Brooks
good
is
in the ground,
magaling din.
the wrestling. So, it's about learning it's about studying kung paano siya papasok, kung
Anong
paano-
atake ang
Oo,
gagawin.
kung anong atake, kung ano yung usual na habit ni
Jared.
Brooks. So,
Yes.
no, it's about parang nag-aaral ka lang dyan.
I see.
Grabe rin yung research,
Oo,
no?
you
Kasi
need to research
dapat iba naman yung mapakita niya this time.
Tama.
I see.
So, unfortunately, the last time, although it came to our favor, pero of course, for us in our team, in our nation, we don't want to win in that kind of
Yes, absolutely.
That way.
way. So we are really doing a lot of things for him to be prepared going into this battle.
Mas gusto ko yung decisive win talaga, di ba? It's either a knockout or talagang may unanimous decision or...
I was watching the game,
Yeah.
nas kalagitnaan ka ng intensity, tapos natapos bigla.
It was really cut short. And then,
Yes.
the good thing about it is okay si Pasio. I mean, si Joshua, di ba? I mean, he was able to come here kinabukasan.
Kinabukasan,
He was
okay
able to
na
meet
siya.
his fans.
He
He's fine.
graced us.
And right now po, pwede mong sabihin na 100% ready na si Joshua.
Oo naman. And of course, we are very thankful dito sa mga kababayan natin. The last time, probably we don't have that much time to
I see.
give you thanks
Yes.
for all the support that you have
Okay.
shown on the last time. Kaya maraming salamat.
May iba pala akong tanong. Kumusta po yung pagkain sa Maharlika?
Nabusog po ba kayo?
Maharlikang.
Ay, Pang dugong bughaw.
Ang nagluto nun si Chef Sky Gonzales.
Ay, wow.
Very special pala ang
Tsaka si
gabi
Chef
niyo.
Alan de Ocampo. Ayun. Tsaka yung whole team niyo po ba andito ngayon? Hindi pa?
Yung team ko lang sa BMAC.
Sa
dun
BMAC, I
oo,
see.
Sa Cordillera.
I
Pero
see.
yung team ko sa Lions, ako lang yung representative.
I see. Okay, speaking of it, you are in the same training camp as of today. Kasama nyo si Joshua and then si Kevin. Isa lang kayo. And then both of them will be here when po? Sa February?
February earlier,
I
the
see.
fight will be February 20, so probably they will be here 14,
I
or
see,
13,
14.
14
A week
like
before,
That. Yeah, a week
mga
before.
Okay, we'll be announcing like if they have like an open workout.
Yes.
If they wanted to see the guys train, diba? May makuha silang tips.
O kaya makipag-sparring sila.
Open
Hindi
workout,
mag-sparring, grabe.
meet and greet or press conference.
Meet and greet or
Meet
press
and greet,
conference.
yes,
Pwede tayo
definitely.
magpa-raffle kasparing ni Joshua.
Ay, hindi na po ako sasali. I forfeit. Okay na
Gusto
po ako
niyo
sa
ba?
gilid.
Okay. Wow, it's really exciting. This coming Feb 20, apart from dun sa dalawa nating Pilipinong kababayan, may isa tayong babaeng lalaban. Right, sir? Meron po ba? This coming Feb 20?
Oo, may
May nakita
isang
ko sa
babae,
list
si
eh.
Rito Pugat, and then yung taga Japan.
Ayun,
So,
yun.
I think
Yes.
the
So it's
first
really
time
something
na-
that we are looking forward on February 20. And of
Yes.
course, please make sure that nakapag-secure na tayo ng tickets for that day.
Correct. And if you
And
want to
that
get a
said,
ticket,
Meron tayong discount. You can use 1PH to avail the 30% discount.
Definitely, yes.
So as early as now, pasahod na or what? Baka naman.
Huwag
Para
ka
naman
magalit.
malakas-lakas yung sigaw natin on the 20th.
Yes, so it will be nice if the Filipino community will be there full force to support our Filipino MMA players.
But in fairness, last year's event, sobrang daming Pilipino.
yeah.
enthusiast talaga yung mga Pinoy sa mga ganitong mga laro.
Parang konti na lang na sigaw, sila yung main event. Diba? Mga 20% na lang nalakas ng volume. Sila na yung main
But
event.
80% of the crowd, they were Filipinos.
Filipinos, yes.
Especially this time, there will be two Filipinos fighting, Kevin
Yes.
Bilingon and Joshua Pasio. So, napakagandang laban din ni Kevin Bilingon kasi this will be their 5th time na magtatapat kay Bibiano Fernandez.
Yes.
So, you know, there's a lot of hype and stories between these two. So, it will be a good fight to watch.
Yung maganda na yung may
Definitely,
build up ng story, no? Yung my story. Speaking of his story, kayo po, you also have an upcoming fight this coming March.
Yeah.
How's the preparation ongoing? Binuko ko. Pero no, it's already published, right?
It's already set.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
Announce
Tumingin ako sa PR manager. Baka Hi, Pao.
Baka biglang pangunahan.
Okay.
Diba?
Pinapangunahan ko pala. Okay, anyway, going back, sir.
Yeah, this will be our 4th time
Wow.
fighting with Shinya. So, pero talo pa rin ako kay Kevin kasi 5 times sa kanila eh. But I'm looking forward to give a good show sa Japan. And kailangan manalo para maging tabla yung score namin with Shinya.
Yes. That's something we look forward to. Sana talaga maging healthy po kayo leading to the event.
Yes,
Ayan.
kasi
Oo naman.
ano, 'di ba? Sir, landslide na lang, no?
Po.
Sir, 'di ba you're also training others, then you're also training yourself for this upcoming fight. Paano mo na ma-manage yung time mo para parehas mo mabigyan ng time yung iba tapos
Coaching
yung sa inyo?
and at the same time being a player.
Yes.
Siyempre, kailangan i-elaborate ko din na yung mga tinuturoan ko. They are not that in that level dun sa mga kasama ko in this upcoming fight. So, there are still novice o mga bago pa lang sa martial arts. So, it's a lot easier to teach. Pero, syempre, it's more on time management.
I see.
You need to have priority. Kailangan alam mo yung priority mo. Because at the end of the day, you're also teaching your students when they are looking at what you are doing.
I see. So
Yun
may
ba
tanong po pala ako
example?
before your question. Kasi na-curious ako di ba? Edward the Landslide Folayang. Saan nyo kinuha yung the landslide? Bakit may the landslide?
Actually, binigay nila nung first na fight ko sa URCC.
I see.
Ako si Kevin, nagsabay kami. That was way back in 2007. So, galing kami kasi ng Baguio. And then yung mga kalaban namin, medyo matagal na sila sa Manila.
I see.
Doing the sport, yung URCC that time. So, nanalo kami with Kevin in a landslide way.
Oh, I see.
kaya
Okay.
landslide.
Now you know.
That's where
Landslide
the
pala
landslide
yun.
came from.
Dumating daw yung landslide sa Manila. So,
I see.
medyo nabigla sila kasi syempre sa bundok lang naman usually
Pero
nangyayari.
kakaiba
from,
yung
from the northern side down to
Oo.
Manila, dinala literal na landslide ang panalo.
Okay, now I understand why. Because it's my first question na iniisip ko as I head on to Maharlika kanina.
Yes.
Sabi ko, bakit kaya landslide? Dapat di ko ma-miss itanong to And
Definitely.
we might be giving out tickets and we'll be giving that question.
Yes.
Definitely.
All right. Okay.
So, no
Just
coaching.
Just to get to know you more, Sir Landslide, what draws you closer to MMA fight? Anong naging inspiration mo to do MMA at nahilig kayo for
Mixed
on
martial
that
arts.
sport?
Of course, I was in the Filipino Wushu team for a very long time. I was 10 to 11 years. And I was looking forward na kapag natapos ko yung career ko sa amateur, then I'll be looking forward going into professional. So, yun yung naging inspiration ko to go on to the next level. And naka-medal naman ako doon sa mga amateur competitions ko like SEA Games and Asian Games, even World Championship. Pero hindi pa kasi ako nag-World Champion. I just settled in silver, I think, in World Championship. Kaya syempre, I don't want to leave the sport of martial arts without becoming a champion. So that's one of my inspiration why I shifted into professional.
Iba yung motivation ni,
Oo,
ni Coach
no?
Edward. Talagang
Gold
go
is
lang ng
gold.
go.
Yeah, go for the gold.
It's
Pero
really
ito,
inspiring.
did it start nung bata ka pa? Is it really like, nanood ka ba ng mga
Oo.
palabas
Mixed
nung
martial
araw?
arts.
And
Or
Oo.
biglang may
all that?
nakita kang isang
Wala
martial
wala
artist.
pang mixed martial arts that time. Pero kasalanan ni na Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee, okay.
Jackie Chan kasi sila yung mga
Sila yung mga napapanood,
Yeah.
no?
mga pelikula
So,
nila.
parang ginagaya nyo ba yung mga
Yeah.
moves nila before?
Oo, kasi alam niyo sa amin, may mga indigenous sport kami
Yes.
doon. May tinatawag silang kinugtar. Ito yung sipaan. Sipaan, parang grupo ng mga bata, grupo namin. Tapos kapag sinabing go, kanya-kanya ng target dyan kung sinong sisipain. So, but
Kanya-kanyang sakitan.
yeah, it's physical, pero it's a friendly
It's a friendly
game.
match.
Oo,
Game.
doon tumibay yung mga bata sa lugar ninyo, no?
Oo, sa amin may kinugtar, may ginabo. Yung ginabo naman is more on parang wrestling or judo. Oo. Tapos may inuba, parang bubuhatin mo yung kalaro mo tapos
Ibabalibag
magtutumbahan
mo.
kayo doon sa with the opposing opponent.
Pero yung pinaka-skill niyo po sa mixed martial arts is wushu or
Wushu kasi I become part of the national team for
yes.
for almost 11 years.
Pero
It started
pagdating
in
sa
school, no? Sorry. It started
babanggaan
in
tayo,
school?
crossfire.
Or is it college days pa lang, sir?
High school, high
High school pa lang. Batang-bata pa
Pero
si
yung
sir.
pinakauna ko talaga kasing martial arts is kickboxing.
I see. Lahat talaga ng pisikalan gusto ni
Oo.
Coach Edward.
Nananakit na yung katawan niyo.
Ito po yung tanong ko. Ano po sa pakiramdam na you are named as the pioneer or MMA father ng Philippines? Sige, napakalaking pride. At the same time,
Yes,
I think it's
no.
also parang napakalaking responsibility rin para sa inyo yun, di ba?
Being labeled as the face of Philippine MMA,
Yes.
syempre, I always look at it kasi as, yun, tama yung sabi mo, it's a responsibility. Kasi kung just a pride lang, no, hindi. Kasi there are a lot of upcoming fighters who are looking at you. So, you need to set a good standard for them to follow.
I see.
So, yun, parang kailangan mo talagang i-live kung paano ba dapat ang pagiging isang martial artist. Kasi being
True.
a martial artist, you need to embody the things that the martial arts are teaching, like respect, values, discipline. So, hindi madali. Parang masarap pakinggan na mukha ka ng Philippine MMA, but behind that, you need to do your accountability as a martial artist.
Meron din palang pressure, no?
Lahat naman ng bagay may pressure.
Oh, yan. Napipressure na.
Kanina nape-pressure ako eh.
Hindi ko na alam yung designation mo. Toastmasters. Anyway, sir, ano po yung message niyo sa mga kabataan who wanted to venture the same kind of mixed martial arts in the future? Yung mga, alam mo na, there could be like youngsters out there na iniidolo na kayo as of this
Totoo
moment.
yan.
Ano po yung pwede niyong sabihin sa kanila as they, embrace this kind of contact sports?
I think, syempre yung masasabi ko sa kanila, it's very important for them to know the purpose of why you go into this kind of
Know the
sport.
purpose.
Kasi ang hirap ng magiging successful ka doon sa area na hindi ka naman masaya
Yeah,
or
that's true.
just a pressure. So, it's very important for us to understand yung purpose on why we are in this kind of sport. What do you want to do, di ba? Or do you just want a popularity?
Yeah.
Or do you want to inspire the next generation for them to have a path na susundan?
Yes.
So, I think,
Amazing.
yeah.
I'm so glad naririnig ko to sa inyo kasi di ba, di lahat ng tao ngayon would go after those values. Ang gusto lang nila maging popular, di ba?
Or maging maging macho lang.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Nadala ko pa hanggang mula ng New Year yung ubo ko.
Mag-jacket ka kasi.
Yes. Pero
Yeah.
maganda kasi yung to be clear with the intention of
Yes.
entering such sport.
Yes.
Kasi iba, they just want to be fit. They just want to look nice. They just
Yes.
want a nice body.
Which
Pero
is-
wala
which
talaga
is
silang
good naman.
disiplina.
Which is good.
Which is good naman. Siyempre, ngayon, ang karamihan gusto nilang tumaas yung following na. So, following nila. So,
Following mapaalis.
they want
Maripost
to
ng abs,
venture it. Pero, alam nyo yun, ang daming palaging nagme-message minsan sa page na they want to be like me or they want to go into this kind of sport. So, alam mo yun, parang don't be me.
Be yourself. Be different.
Yourself. Tama yung
Yes.
sabi mo. Be yourself. Kasi we are unique eh. May kanya-kanya tayong area of giftings wherein we need to find and
Yes.
develop. Kasi
Oh,
hindi
lalim
naman
nun, ha?
magiging Edward Pulayang lahat eh.
Yeah.
So,
Totoo.
baka yung iba maging Trixie or
Christine.
Pero kasi,
or
diba,
sila. So,
Yun.
Di ba sa martial arts, hindi naman siya actually you have to compete 'di ba, more of yung values na sinasabi
Yes.
niyo.
Sportsmanship,
Discipline,
Diba?
yung overall health mo, yung
Yes.
body fitness mo. So, dun sa mga gustong sumali or mag-venture sa martial arts, you really don't have to compete.
Yes.
Kasi malay mo, you still have like just a group of people na may same kayo ng passion for martial arts and train other people, 'di ba? May mga ganun tayo.
Tama kasi sa martial arts, you're always competing with yourself.
Yes.
So, ito yung gusto ng katawan mo, pero ito dapat ang gawin mo. So, it's always a competition within yourself on kung paano mo tatalunin yung sarili mo.
Lalo na ang katamaran or 'di ba? Isa 'yun sa
May tanong ko lang, speaking of katamaran, kasi si Sir Edward, at di ba, tingnan mo katawan, talagang ang ganda pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Yung katawan niya, walang katamaran.
Ano yung ginagawa nyo para you are
Ano ba pagkain
active?
sa inyo?
Fresh ang pet shy.
Fresh ang pechay palagi, no?
Di, ano po ba? I mean,
Anong
apart
diet
from
ba
a good,
sinusunod?
maganda kasing environment ng Baguio to begin
Oo,
with,
no.
di ba? It's really fresh. I mean, if you've been there, I've been there like a couple of times. Gusto ko talaga yung weather eh. Kahit tanghaling tapat malamig.
Oo.
Ang taxi walang aircon.
Totoo.
Oo. Hindi mo alam yun. Di ba? Pati yung mga hotel, nakabukas lang yung bintana. Di ba?
Pag nandun ako, napapakain ako ng chop suey agad. Kasi fresh lahat eh.
Fresh lahat ng
Oo.
veggies. Anyway, going back kay Coach Edward, ano po yung ginagawa yung
Ano yung mga diets and workouts?
Siguro
Workouts.
yung lifestyle kasi
Yes.
syempre as an athlete, because I am still competitive naman. You really need to have
Good
lifestyle
diet.
na kung saan, di ba? You set a schedule for a day to train.
workout.
Workout.
May workout palagi.
I see.
And kasi hindi ka pwedeng maging lax sa amin.
Yes.
Kasi yung ibang mga athletes, they are always pursuing excellence. So, if you parang nagsettle ka na feeling mo, napakagaling mo na, madali kang maabutan.
Oh, yes.
Because,
Totoo.
it's a very fun na sport. It's very competitive na sport wherein yung mga kalaban mo, they studied in a scientific
Yes.
way.
Yeah.
Mga pagkain, lahat.
Yeah.
So,
Nutrition.
Yeah, nutrition lahat. Mixed martial arts, ang daming
Factors.
ang daming mga factors na kailangan mong
I-consider.
isama.
I
May
see.
mga bawal bang pagkain kapag when you're training for such sport?
Oo naman, may bawal.
Bawal ang french fries.
Yung mga
Ano ba yun?
mamantika.
Anything that's
Meron
fatty.
na.
I see.
Mga pati, mga maalat. So,
Sir, can you take me through your training? Paano ba kayo? Kasi when
On a
I think
normal
about
day.
when I think about MMA, isa siya sa mga pinakamahirap na sport.
Oo.
'Di ba? Hindi buwis-buhay siya eh.
Totoo.
In a matter of a wrong move, pwede kang, maaksidente. So napaka-tedious niyang bagay para gawin. Ano po ba yung can you take us through your training? Paano ba kayo? Paano kayo nagiging sobrang tatag?
more kasi
Sige
siya
po.
sa mental toughness.
Mental toughness. I see.
Pero sa amin, normal na routine, kapag Monday ganon, either tumatakbo or nag-strength and conditioning sa umaga, and then afternoon, more sa technique.
I see.
And then sa following day is more on sparring,
Sparring.
parang application. And then sa hapon or gabi is more on technique. Tapos sa umaga ulit, it's either endurance training or speed training. So alam mo yun, kailangan tignan mo yung mga factors talaga na madi-develop sa'yo. Kasi syempre sa MMA, kailangan ng speed yan, kailangan
Yes.
ng power. So,
Wit talaga eh, yung bilis
kailangan
din
mo
ng
talagang
iisip.
hati-hatiin kung paano mo i-develop lahat ng aspect ng katawan mo going into the fight that
Tsaka iba-ibang preparation nyo sa every fighter, di ba? Every opponent, ibang style ang kailangan gawin nyo. It's different, di ba?
So inaaral nyo, sir, kunyari, ang kalaban ni si Jared. So may mga times ba na inaaral nyo din kung paano siya lumaban?
Oo naman, that's very important. Kasi nga even sa even sa competition kailangan mong kailangan
Even sa exam,
pag-aralan
kailangan mo
yung,
mag-aral.
parang yung sa art of war, you need to understand yourself and you need to understand your enemy. Kasi kung kilala mo lang daw yung sarili mo and hindi mo kilala yung opponent mo, yung chances mo lang is just 50%.
Oh,
Kilala
tama
mo
naman.
yung opponent mo tapos hindi mo kilala yung sarili mo, yung chances mo is still 50%.
Yes.
So you need to understand your opponent and you need to understand yourself.
Yes, you have to give time
yes.
for both, para sa sarili mo at saka yung magiging kalaban
Tama.
mo.
Okay. Since parang medyo pagod na si Coach Edward, let's give him time to relax tonight. Ano yung last question mo, Christine, before we close the show tonight? Go ahead.
Yun lang, sa akin, like for example, how do we apply yung mga discipline ng martial arts sa mga normal na, let's say, sa akin, meron ba kayong parang isang value na pwede naming i-absorb or i-apply
Sa
sa
buhay.
daily life namin na galing sa martial arts?
Madami. Siguro, pinaka-basic, persistence.
Persistence.
Kasi ang dami kong mga potential athlete na nakikita. Pero pagka natalo lang sila ng isang beses, alam mo yun,
Nadi-discourage sila.
Nawawala ng gana.
Oo, na either pumapasok na sa bisyo kasi hindi nga nila kayang
I
i-take
see.
yung defeat, hindi nila kayang
So, more on
hindi nila
mental
naiintindihan
toughness.
talaga yung purpose minsan ng mga dumarating sa buhay nila. So, if you have a goal, kailangan mo talagang mag-persist. Actually, yung mga values naman na tinuturo sa martial arts, nagagamit naman ng nagagamit naman natin either you are a martial artist or not in your
martial
daily
arts.
lives. You're in our daily lives. So,
Yeah, true.
the same moral principles na tinuturo ng Bible, yun din yung mga moral principles na tinuturo
I
ng
see.
martial arts.
Alright.
Trixie?
Yes, ako, for fast talk lang. We
Para
will have a
okay.
fast talk with Coach Landslide. So, mabilisan lang to, Coach,
Sige,
yung mga
sige, go ahead.
questions. What's your favorite Filipino food?
Adobo.
Adobo. Uy.
Adobo. Who's your all-time favorite fighter and why?
Si George St. Pierre. Kasi
St. Pierre. I know him. Yeah.
he's a cerebral fighter, you know. He always study kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin and siguro yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya, he walk the talk.
Walk the
Okay.
talk.
Walk the talk.
Yes.
Next question, if you weren't a professional fighter, ano ang career mo today?
Chef.
Siguro teacher kasi yun naman yung
Teacher.
May
yun naman
passion
yung
for-
natapos ko nung
May passion for teaching.
And last question, what's a piece of advice that you've received from a mentor or coach nung ikaw ang tinuturuan? Mga words of wisdom na mga coach mo noon.
Pang-push nila.
Yung sinabi ng coach na, yung Chinese coach namin noon, champions are not born, they are made.
Oh.
Champions are born.
Champions are born.
Are not born.
Are not
aren't
born, they are made.
They are
Oh,
made.
that's nice.
Oh.
So,
Thank you
it's
so
really
much.
up to you.
Yes.
Totoo.
Okay, sige.
Very inspiring tong gabi na to, ha. Gusto
Yes.
ko yung conversation with Coach Landslide.
We want to have more time with you pero alam namin na medyo ano na yung gabi. It's kind of late. At the same time, mahaba na yung araw ni
Mahaba
Coach.
pa, yes.
Alam
In
ko.
demand si Coach today.
Alam ko, mula umaga, ang dami niya ng interviews, okay?
Yes.
But before that, let me do a shout out dun sa mga nanonood ngayon. Madami sila eh. Let me go one by one. Nasa screen natin to Ava. This is one. Miss mo yata to. And also kay Ting Ulase, watching somewhere in the skies. Oh, really?
Pabalik
Oh,
na.
pabalik.
Nasa flight.
Nasa flight. Oh, inside Qatar Airways. Nice, good for you. Sabi naman ni Sharon, shout out to BMAC family. Hello.
Yes, the BMAC family
Ayan.
is here.
Andito sila. This one. Edward Rawe Balinsoy Mayo. Shout out Eduardo. You know this guy? Sino to?
Yeah.
Andito ba?
Ni Eddie Mayos.
I see. Sabi naman ni Yurich, shout out Rawe aka Kawitan, come over here. Ano ba to? Local tang ba to, sir?
Pagitan is roaster eh.
Okay. And then there's a lot more. Hi, Daddy Techie. Okay, mga influencer ito sa Qatar. There's a lot more. Madami kang fans ngayong gabi na nanonood
Yes.
sa ating live. Maraming salamat po for watching our live video and of course our live interview together with the one and only Edward, the landslide Folaya. Maraming salamat, sir.
Maraming salamat.
It's an
Anything
honor
you
to
wanna
have you.
add sa ating mga manonood? Final message sa kanila.
Of course, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Filipino community. You have been with us and as we represent our nation in this in the world of mixed martial arts. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suportan nyo sa amin.
Yes.
And yun, nagpasalamat din tayo sa program nyo na kung saan at nagkaroon tayo ng way for
To connect with the
to
Filipinos.
connect with our
Yes.
Filipino
Yes.
kababayans. And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan na i-invite yung upcoming event on February 20. Joshua Pasio and Kevin Biringon will be representing our nation. So,
Yeah.
yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Qatar, please come and support yung dalawang Pinoy fighter natin.
Yes.
Totoo, minsan lang to.
Oo naman. And lastly, I would like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus for the opportunity. And then,
Amen.
of course, sa bawat isa sa inyong nakasama ko ngayong gabi.
Francis,
Thank-
Christine, and Trixie.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yung mga medyo may
Okay.
kaba ng konti. Pero nawala naman sa kalagitnaan ng kwentuhan with Coach Landslide kasi very natural siyang kausap.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, parang
Yes.
nakita tapos nagkwentuhan.
Correct.
Parang
Alright.
tinitingnan mo pa lang si Coach, madidisiplina ka na. Kaya maingay.
Okay. May tanong ako lagi before we close the show. Taking out the coat as the MMA champion, sino po ba si Coach Edward sa bahay?
Siyempre, isang ama ng tatlong makukulit na bata.
Naglalaba po ba kayo?
Naglalaba din.
Alam mo, bilang athlete, especially when I'm in the national team, you need to
Really do
watch
things on your own.
rules.
I
Oo.
see.
So,
Okay.
Sanay na sanay kayo.
nobody will be
Yeah.
so, you need to do it yourself.
Correct. Ako din di ko papalaba yung mga ano ko.
Oo naman.
I do it myself. Okay. Anyway, before we close this show, again, don't forget to watch the upcoming fight this coming Feb 20, 2025. It's the One Championship, and it's going to be Joshua the Passion Pasio versus Jared the Monkey God Brooks, okay, to unify the Golden Crown,
Yes.
the undisputed king of the division's one strawweight division. Don't forget, also we have another one, the one bantamweight MMA world champions, Kevin the Silencer, Bellingon. Ito yung isa pang
Yes, isa nating
Filipino.
fighter.
And Bibiano the Flash Fernandez, okay, will square off an historic fifth bout, pang-lima ng bout
Pang-lima
nila to,
na,
okay?
wow.
It promises to be an epic finale to the restored rivalry, and this match will also serve as the final fight of Fernandez's MMA career. So don't forget, it's 1171 in Qatar, and if you want to score tickets, it's q-tickets.com. Use code 1PH for you to get
1PH, yes.
30% discount. Don't forget,
That
it's
is right.
1PH. Okay. Trixie?
So I just want to thank everyone who came tonight to watch us. Medyo maubo ako, hindi pa gumagaling hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa ating Filipino community, and of course, shout out to my brads from PSU or
Yes.
the NETA. Mga kapwa ninyo Ilocano ay nanonood din ngayong gabi. At talaga naman todo support at manunood. And of course, the brads from Saudi Arabia and UAE who will be here on February 20 to watch the fight. So maraming salamat, and over to you, Francis.
Oh, PSD. Yeah. Don't
PSD.
forget, they'll be in PSD tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Ah, busy,
10
busy.
o'clock.
Yes, so
10 o'clock
10
in the
o'clock.
morning.
10 o'clock at
Ayan.
PSD, Philippine School Doha.
Kaya dapat patulog na sila.
So yung mga taga PSD dyan, I think mga excited
Yes.
na sila
Yes,
for
I think the
tomorrow's
children
event.
talagang ma-excite sila
Yeah.
to see Coach Edward there.
All right. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Coach
So
Edward,
much.
for being with us tonight, and of course to all the BMAC family that we have here, all the way from Baguio, Philippines. Lahat po sila galing ng Baguio, lumanig lang kanina. The joke. We always have your back. Any Filipino fighters on the ring, we always have the Filipinos back. At andun po kami. We'll
We
be
will be
there for the
there.
1171, and
Of course.
hopefully makapunta kami ng Japan for your fight. And also, we'd like to
Secure
thank
na natin.
Pau and Becca for bringing Coach Edward here. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, guys. To the One Championship team, thank you so much for bringing such a great event here in Doha, Qatar. At siyempre, pasalamatan natin. Maharlika
Maharlika
Park
Park
Restaurant,
Restaurant.
Sky Gonzalez, Sir Alan De Ocampo, and to all the staff, the friendly staff. Yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much, guys. This has been Francis.
This is Kristen Chi.
And Trixie.
And
Edward.
bye, guys. Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you for watching Live on Q. See you again next time. Bye, guys.
Defend your hometown far and near. Give your team the loudest cheer. Calling the attention of all basketball enthusiasts in Qatar, the OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club and PBAC present Maharlika Park Restaurant Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Friday, April 4, 2025. The champion gets 10,000 Qatari Riyals. Runner-up, 4,000 Qatari Riyals. For mechanics and details, call 5006-1008. For registration, call Maharlika Park Restaurant at 7795-5380. Register now. One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Rui. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at onefc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now.
Mga kailangan mo at ng inyong pamilya sa Pinas, mahahanap mo sa tindahan ni Bossing. Tenbo, powered by PLDT Global. Ang one-stop online tindahan para sa mga Pinoy sa abroad. Sa Tenbo, sari-sari ang mga produkto at serbisyo. May load padala sa Pinas? Shopping e-vouchers, bills payment, food e-vouchers, doctor's online consult vouchers, e-government services, at gaming pins. Sa Tinbo, makakakuha ka ng Smart Virtual Number, ang seamless Philippine mobile number na magagamit para sa libreng tawag sa OWA 24/7 hotline. At para makatanggap ng one-time passwords o OTP galing sa Philippine banks at e-wallets. Sa Smart Virtual Number, pwede ka ding i-text o tawagan ng inyong kapamilya sa Pinas gamit ang kanilang local Philippine numbers kahit wala silang internet. Kapag may Tinbo account ka, parang nasa Pinas ka na rin kahit pamalayo ka. Tindahan natin to mga bossing. Tinbo. Register for free.
Uy, uwi na. Oo, sige. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Opo, ito, pauwi na. Sige na, ma. Tulog ka na dyan. Bye. Love you.
After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there.